Here, you'll see how to create a free Teaching English account. We'll be doing this on a smartphone. If using a device with a larger screen, please note that while the steps are the same, things may look a little different. First, go to teachingenglish.org.uk. Select the menu. Here you can access teaching resources, publications and professional development materials. Log into your Teaching English account or create one. From the menu, select Register. Add the requested details. Select the email notification option to receive important updates about your Teaching English training courses. Confirm that you are aged 18 or over and that you accept the terms and conditions of use. Then, create new account.